Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your voice settings on Discord. So first things first, we need to go to our Discord profile. For us to go to our Discord profile, we need to click on the icon that's on the bottom right corner, the little profile icon that has our profile picture on it. Once we click on it, it will bring us here. So we have a couple of options here. Set status, account, user profile, etc., etc. All we need to do is scroll a bit down and we get to app settings. And once we get to app settings, the first thing that you see is voice activity. So we're going to click on that. So at the top of the screen, you can see we have input mode. So we're going to click on that and this will pop up. So when you speak on Discord, you can either just set it to you can talk and you don't have to do anything else, or if you want a bit more privacy, you can put it on push to talk. So you're gonna push something, a button or something, and when you're done talking, you're gonna stop holding the button, and that's about it. So we're gonna set it to that, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.